Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here at Trading Friend. Friends, so one more new month has been started, and for we traders, it clearly means that a new capital, I meant to say a new trading sheet, or you can also say a new journal. Okay, so the profit and losses are going to be different. I mean, we'll be calculating separately for this month. So we are all very excited and eagerly waiting to start off the month at a very positive note. And as rightly said, we had a very positive note today. We had a lot of learnings as well in today's video, so I will be explaining to you. It is a very important learning, so stay tuned till end of the video. Basically what I would say is, friends, experience. By experience you can learn a lot. Okay, so today's trading experience will teach you a lot of lessons, so I want you all to stay till end of the video. And also today, once again, it is proving that this strategy and my channel are dedicated for working people, because there was nothing which we had to do. Friday we put the trade at around 3 o'clock, and then today morning we just had to book the profits. Simple as that. Nothing was done. This was exactly what I was telling, a dream which I was having long back, and I was when many were asking me the same question, what was a dream? That is, make your money work for you, and many were asking me, how do you make your money work? So this is the perfect answer for that. Saturday was holiday, Sunday was holiday, there was nothing that we have done. We just placed our order at 3 o'clock on Friday, closed, and today we have to book our profits. That's it. So almost all those who traded in this covered call today were very happy, because seeing the huge profit. And today you all know that market zoomed as well. So though it is not in our hand, it was in our direction, the stock was in our direction, so the profits were huge. Okay friends, so let us go forward and look into the trade analysis which we did. So before going, just want to share with you, people, those who are not started still, those who are not subscribed still, I recommend you to subscribe and also press the bell button. And in case if you want any service, any training, any support, any backtested file from me, you can always WhatsApp. My number is 8095876525. Now let's go to the strategy. The trade which we did today and the stock selected was Tata Motors. Okay friends, so I'll just also show you why we selected Tata Motors. Don't have to worry. Basically we have to look into a good stock which is going to trend. Okay, so this was our Tata. I'll just delete all these indicators, though I don't follow these indicators, I was just doing some studies. So I'll put this one day data to you and then show you, so you can see the rally. Okay, so basically we do a trend analysis and then we find out the movement of the stock. So you can see that continuous back to back the stock is moving, the stock is having higher highs, though there is a small dip here. Again, the stock continued to make higher highs. So when we do a trend analysis, we basically try to draw the trend channel, that is part 1, or otherwise we draw the trend lines. So by this we will get an idea whether the stock is going up or the stock is going down. Okay, so ultimately we have come across a stock, Tata Motors, and we are going to trade in Tata Motors. So it can be any stock friends, but you have to use little bit of your common sense. If at all you are selecting a stock, try to find a stock which is in trending mode, so that you can get advantage of it. Now let us go into the option chain to find out the best options to take, and you can find that 85 call is having very good open interest. So we have added this, you can see this is very good open interest. So we'll add this into the watch list. So we will trade with the same. The theta also is fine enough for us, the delta also is fine for us, though you don't have to worry much. Okay, so we are going ahead with the covered call. Okay, the reason, because you can see the stock is trending continuously, the stock is going, so we have to buy the future and sell the call option. And mind you, this is a delivery order, so always place a delivery order, don't place into a limit order. Okay, and then once the option stock has been selected, next we have to sell the call option. So when you're selling the call option, place the limit order, and then you can see it's still under open, it's not completed. So let me do the adjustment. Okay, because the ask and the bid ratio will be different, that is why we have to do this kind of adjustments. Okay, so friends, this was yesterday's, the previous day which we traded. Forget this, don't get confused. So if at all you have missed that video, you can just check the video. As soon as we finish the trade, the next day we place, the same day we place a trade for the next day. That is why you can see two trades in the same screen. And this is our two positions which we have taken. So we have bought the future, you can see we have bought the future, and then we have sold the call option. Hope it's not confusing you. I'll show you once again. We have bought the future, that is the plus you can see here, and then we have sold here the call option, nothing else. And this is nothing but pure cover day strategy. This is the exact cover call strategy which we were all talking about and very eagerly waiting to implement. So you can see the time is around 3:16. So generally after 3 o'clock you can find the stock and place a trade. Anyways, nobody is stopping you, can place even before that also, nobody is stopping you. But then it's very important that you keep it for at least minimum 1 day to get the effect, to get the real importance of covered calls. Okay, so this was a trade which we have placed, and then after that nothing which we have to do, just place the trade and then leave for the day. And yeah, so morning you can see time is 9:15. So this is what exactly I was talking about, friends. Future gave us money. Excellent. Now you might say me, sir, the call was supposed to give you a loss. Reason, the stock has gone up, so call also has to go up, and we have sold the call option. But why are we having profit here? Friend, this is exactly the meaning of covered call. This profit has come because of the premium decay. Though you can see that the stock has moved in the direction of future, the direction which we wanted, stock has gone up and we have made profit of 6,000 rupees. But then why is it, even most of the days you would have seen that the future has made profit and this options would have made you loss, or otherwise you would have seen that this will be vice versa. But in today's case you can see that both are profit. This is a very rare sign, and this happens usually when you keep the call options for 2-3 days, 4 days. That is why people do covered calls for months together. But here we are not targeting big profits. I am just trying to do it like a STBT or BTST kind of strategy. So it is like buy today and sell tomorrow, or sell today and buy tomorrow. Okay friends, so hope you understood what I meant by make your money work for you. This is exactly what I wanted to share to you all. Make money work for you. You will make excellent returns. And this is the best part of covered calls. Okay, now come on, let us go into the learning. What are the learning which I had today? Yes, there was a very important learning which I had. Let me continue the video and show you. You will understand. When I was trying to close, what happened, just observe this, you will understand. So first what I did is I squared off initially morning itself. I squared off the future, so you can see that it is completed. Yes, then I am trying to square the options, and because of the panic and morning I did not want to lose the profits on futures, I was panicking and I did a mistake of putting a very high price. I should have not done, because 4,300 rupees is the value of one lot of options. I forgot it completely and I put a higher value just because my trade was not getting closed. Okay, but the lot size of Tata Motors was 4,300, so you can see the entire 1 rupee loss has come, and that is nothing but 4,000 rupees loss has come, and we have lost it in the options. Okay, so what exactly happened was, instead of waiting for the price to get triggered at my price which I wanted, I moved it desperately because I wanted to get rid of this option. Reason, because I had already sold the futures and I did not want to lose profits on futures. That is why immediately I tried to do this and we ended up in this mistake. But we have to take this as a learning. What we have to do is that next time whenever we trade, what we can do is, first we'll close the options, and also we will close the option at the limit price which we want. So only if the market reaches that level and once the options is closed, then we can place the market order in future, because in future that there is volume and then immediately it get closed. Usually when options the volume will be less, that is why they are keeping limit orders. Market will not accept market orders, stock market, the broker will not accept market orders, so we place the limit order. So this is a learning, friends, nothing to worry. Though we are not made losses, money saved is also money gained, so don't worry about the loss in the profit which we had, but overall we are still on break even. We have not booked our losses, so don't worry, this is a learning. So next time something big, it will save us. So I have no issues with this, but happy for the people, those who booked their profit in the morning. So it was a mistake from my side and I am learning from this and I'm sharing this to you as well. So the learning which you're taking from today's video is that from today's mistake is that first we will sell the option at the limit price whichever we have set. So once that is booked, only then immediately we can book the futures option. Hope you understood the logic what I'm going to tell you. Because like let me explain to you last one time. So imagine you are closing this at 9 rupees. At 9, at present price is 9 and you're trying to close it at 9, and at the present level you will have some profit or loss over here. And since these both are in hedge position, in case if this moves to 8, automatically this also will get adjusted, the future also will get adjusted. Or in case if it moves to 7, again this will get adjusted. Or if it moves on the higher side also, you can see if it moves to 10 also, this will get adjusted. So what happens is that we will wait always for the option to expire and the option to get squared off, and then we will place the market order so that such big slippages won't happen. Friends, this is nothing but slippage. This is nothing but slippage. Okay, though we won't get the exact profit and target which we were intended, this is called as a slippage. This can be avoided by using this method. Okay, so again, first day of the month, we are happy that we are not I am happy that I have not lost money, and updating it into our Excel sheet once we finish. So I'm as of now putting it as 0 because I consider 400 rupees for brokerage or whatever it is, etc. And let us also update our learnings. So all this journal will help you in the future, the learnings. So let us update the same thing which we discussed. That is nothing but let us close the options first, then we will close the stock. So this is the learning which we had today, and we will remember it for a long time because I have written it and I keep going across all my learnings whenever I get time. Okay friends, so this was the first day in the month of June. Nothing to worry, part of trading. And last but not the least, in case if you want any support from me, you can WhatsApp on my number 8095 876525. And also the trading platform which I'm using, very user friendly, is Upstock. And also I newly started off with Alice Blue, and Alice Blue has provided lots and lots of benefits. You can also go through. The account opening is completely free, so you can just have a check, and you can always have an extra account with you. There's no problem. And the best part of Alice Blue is that they have algo tradings which are very very user friendly. So I am doing many strategies in that. I'm trying it out, experimenting it. Many were asking me, so when will you start sharing it with me? First I have to do myself. You know that I do myself, I test it, only then I share it with you. So please wait for some more time. Meanwhile, you can open your account and start practicing yourself, or even they're very user friendly, you can try it for yourself doing your algo trading as well. Friends, one more benefit for you is that in case if you join Upstock or Alice Blue with my link which I have provided in the description of this video, then you'll be getting 50% discount on my tradings and open trades. So I have trainings in options. I'm teaching the same adjustments and strategies and long-term strategies, swing trading strategies, how to do the trend analysis, all those things I'm teaching. So in case if you want to learn, you can start learning. And in case if you want to follow the trades which I'm doing, there is nothing but open trade. As soon as I place at 3 o'clock, I will send to you by Telegram channel. So in case if you need that, you can subscribe for that as well. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.